Friends, imagine this. If you had no claws, no fangs, no weapons, and a hungry predator stood before you, would you survive? 7 million years ago, this was the question humans faced every single day. They were the weakest bodies on Earth, the slowest, nothing more than easy prey for predators. But one day, humanity made a decision. Enough. We will no longer be the hunted. We will become the hunters. This was their first hunt. The first hunt. The jungle was drowned in darkness. Leaves rustled, and in the distance, a predator growled. A small group of humans sat together, weak from hunger, fear burning in their eyes. By day, they gathered fruits or ate insects, but it was never enough. Hunger dried their lips, children cried, and every sound in the night stole their sleep. And then, a realization struck them. If we cannot hunt our own food, we will always be someone else's food. Morning came. Through the mist, they saw an animal, perhaps a deer or a young mammoth. Their breaths froze, a thought echoed. Could we bring it down? And nothing but stones, sticks, and each other. But for the very first time, they turned courage into a weapon. One lifted a stone, another grabbed a branch. One of them screamed, not in fear, but as a signal. For the first time, their voices became a tool, and together, they decided, today, we will hunt. The animal ran fast. Humans chased, slipping, falling, bleeding. Some retreated in fear, but others pushed forward with fire in their eyes. This was not just a chase for food. This was a race for survival. For the first time, humans discovered the magic of teamwork. One drove the animal forward, another blocked its path. Among them, a new language was born. Shouts, cries, gestures. They weren't just hunting, they were building the first form of civilization. At last, a stone struck the animal's head. It stumbled. It fell. The jungle went silent for a moment. Then cries of triumph filled the air. For the first time, humans had killed their prey. Blood stained their hands, but their eyes filled with tears of relief and joy. That moment changed everything. For the first time, humans were not prey. They were hunters. That night, sitting around the fire, they ate meat for the very first time. Some burnt, some raw, but for the first time, their bodies were filled with protein. Their brains grew sharper, their bodies stronger. They understood something eternal. One human alone is weak, but when humans stand together, they are the most powerful hunters on Earth. This was the moment tribes were born, the moment society began, the moment humanity stepped apart from the animals. Friends, think about it. If humans had never attempted that first hunt, perhaps we wouldn't be here today. This was the moment humanity began to write its own destiny. Now, a question for you. What do you believe was humanity's greatest strength? The stone weapon, the fire, or teamwork? Write your thoughts in the comments, and maybe we all share your answers in the next episode. And yes, if this story moved you, make sure to subscribe to the channel, like this video, and share it with your friends. Because this is not just history. This is life before history.